In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Crypto.com with a credit card. So to do this, first go and open up the Crypto.com app. Then click on Buy from the home screen. And just gonna select whichever cryptocurrency you want to buy using your credit card. For example, I'll search for Cardano. After selecting the coin that you want to buy, first choose how much of it you want to buy. For example, I'll do 10 euros. Then where it says buy with, go and click on that. And then here I already have a card connected. If you don't, click on add payment method, then select debit or credit card. And then here enter your credit card details, so it's just your first and last name, card number, expiration date and CVV. Then click add card and they will then do an authorization charge of 0 cents just to see if your card actually is legit. So from there it will be added as one of your payment methods like the one I already have added right here. So you can then go and select it from the list. You can then click review order and from there confirm it, and then it will be charged from the credit card and you will be buying that cryptocurrency. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.